so boom, I forgot my camera, and we're not skipping no days, man. We're not missing no weeks. We staying consistent. So right now, we about to go get a like GoPro. I'm not gonna get a GoPro because I found one that's like off-brand GoPro for like half the price. So we're gonna go with that. It's 4K as well, man. But yeah, man, because the POV video's been doing good. You already know, man. Thank you guys for watching the POV videos. POV videos doing good. So logically, I'm gonna make even better POV videos. So to do that, I haven't been liking the quality of the phone. I've been having to use my phone because the camera I got to do like vlogs and stuff and other things, it's heavy. I'm not putting that thing on my forehead. That thing is weighs me down, or it hits the top of the roof. So we can't really do that. So right now we about to do a little quick POV of going to Best Buy. And you know, it's about to rain, so it's kind of some cloudy weather. So cloudy little POV. I'm about to put this thing in sport mode and we gonna get to it. Whine is ridiculous, bro. By the way, I don't know if you guys been on the polls, man. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post. But I'll be posting some posts, and we about to wrap the car soon, man. So if you haven't checked out the design, go check it out and be on the lookout for the video, man, because that video gonna be crazy when we finally get a chance to wrap this thing. Got a little snack pack right here, man. Got a little snack pack. This thing just be popping, bro. This thing is crazy. Hey, honestly, bro, I don't really be driving the car like crazy unless it's like a POV video or something. Most of the times I just got this on eco and be chilling, but bro, when I just like turn the music off and listen to it, like, this thing just crazy. I got one hand. I'm not a pro like some of these other YouTubers. They be downshifting with one hand, upshifting one hand. I can't do all that. I'ma just have to play with the rev. These streets be narrow as I don't know what, bro. Freaking hate it. It makes me anxious. That's why I can't live in no big city, bro. I cannot live in no big city. The streets be so narrow. It be going crazy. I went to Charlotte last month. Heck no, bro. Almost crashed because I ran a red light. Not because I was drunk, none of that stuff. Like, bro, literally the streets be confusing the mess out of me. It started raining here a little bit. All the traffic behind. Do y'all mainly be in sport or in track? Let me know. And what y'all got y'all, it's not this, man. Jesus Christ. What y'all got the, where's it at? What y'all got y'all set up to, man? This is how I got mine set up. I know we put the, I think some people like the transmission better in track. Just hit better. I don't know. Let me know. Then be spinning, bro. Hey, if you got a cat, you gotta know when to let it go. I feel like a lot of people, they be crashing because they don't know when to let that thing go. This thing is like a rocket, bro. You just hit it. It just be sending your ass, bro. Look at that Supra. I don't know how I feel about Supras, but low-key want one, low-key don't. I don't know. All these dad trucks out here, you already know the vibes, man. You guys gotta let me know, man, the fans. What is something crazy that I could do that you think is just gonna go viral, man? Like, you gotta let me know. You gotta let me know. I feel like I seen that taking off the doors on the Chrysler 300 jailbreak. Bro, I'm like, I could take the doors off of this, and these people not even slick, bro. It's not even that much to do those things. If you got like around 20K, I think you could do it, because you get a Chrysler 300 body for like, what, 3-4K? Maybe even cheaper than that. Then the Hellcat engine's only costing you like 15-20K. Bro, I'm about to start doing these Chrysler 300 swaps. You about to see. Channel gonna be popping off. Watch. I made it to Best Buy. I'm gonna try to get this GoPro real quick. See how much it costs. Bro, I haven't watched this thing in like 3 weeks. It's just been raining. It ain't been no point to watch that thing. All right, just copped Let me see. How to get an SD card too. Let's see here. Don't worry. We better get back to the POV action, man. You already know. I just want to make sure I can start recording on this real quick before I do. What's in the box? Action camera, waterproof case, remote control, battery charge. Bro, if this is I'm not sponsored or nothing. I don't got no affiliate links to this, but this is a way better deal than a GoPro, I feel like, because it comes with so much stuff. So, you know, if you're trying to do them POVs for your car content, this is probably the way to go. Toma. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Bust it open. What is this? Hey, bro, I'm gonna do this for later. This is gonna take too long. Bro, and I freaking bought the wrong SD card, but it take a micro SD card. I don't take a regular one. And yes, I got a water bottle there. Don't be getting on me, bro. I gotta clean the car like I said before. People can't drive, bro. They just had, oh my God. Person just had their thing to go right. It didn't go right. That's what I'm saying, bro. Look, now you want to go right. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, these people don't know how to drive, bro. I think that's a GT 350 right there. GT 350 is getting smoked all day. Yeah, Charles, you heard me. You heard what I said. They getting smoked all day. And that's a fact. He don't want to line it up with me because he know what's going to happen. That Chevy going, boy. That thing got a supercharger in it. Bro, somebody almost hit me on this road the other day, bro. It was ridiculous. I want to take a left. They behind me. Then they keep going. So I'm doing this and they about to hit the side of me. Like, bro, I'm saying, again, I say these people can't drive, bro. It's crazy. Some Panda Express sound good right about now. You guys F with Panda Express, bro? What, Chipotle versus Panda Express? Put in the comments which one you like the most. I think I like Chipotle better. So it depends on the day. It depends on the day, really. Bro, people probably hate me, bro. I know they probably hate me. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos coming. Like I said, guys, I'm about to wrap the Hellcat soon. I just realized I was talking to you guys with the camera flip. I want you guys to see my face. So you already know, man, make sure to stay tuned because the next couple videos might be the Hellcat getting wrapped. I'm trying to tell you that decal about to go crazy. There's about to be a one-on-one Hellcat soon. And I might paint the calipers to go with it, you know? Because the decal is like a Miami Vice color. And the calipers are red. So I don't want red calipers with like a Miami Vice colorway. So might even paint the calipers and everything. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys. See you soon.